Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see some free project management courses. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Telegram and WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So project management has always been one of the top career choice by a lot of people. We all know that. And the demand for good quality project managers have always been high regardless of the industry. And according to a report by the Project Management Institute, which is the official body for the project management, the report says that by 2027 we may need nearly 88 million individuals in project management and its related roles. So here are some free courses which can help you to start learn project management and all other things related to it. So all these courses are available on LinkedIn Learning, and you don't need to use your free month trial or anything else. You just need a LinkedIn account. With your LinkedIn account, just log into your account, and once you log in, you can straight away go to the course and start learning for free. And after completing the courses, you can also get the certificate for free. So now let's see what are the 11 free courses for learning project management here in this video. So the first one is Project Management Foundations. The instructor of this course is Boni Biafo, and the level of this course is it's a beginner level 1, and the duration is 3 hours. And from the name itself, you may know that in this course you'll be learning the basics of project management. And to enroll in this course, just click on enroll for free here. And once you click on enroll for free, you will be straightly directed to the course. And as I said, just have a LinkedIn account and just log into your account. So in the contents tab, you can see the contents of the course. That is what you'll be learning in this course. And after each chapter, you have the quiz. So you have to take the quiz and complete all the content. And once you have completed all the content and quiz and all the necessary things, you can click on overview here. You can move on to the overview tab. And if you see here, you will have a show all button near certificates. So just click on it. So for this course, you can get 3 certificates for this course alone. You will get a normal LinkedIn Learning certificate, and you will get a NASBA certificate, that is National Association of State Boards of Accountancy certificate, and you will also get a PMI certificate, that is Project Management Institute certificate. So for this course, after completing it, you will get all these 3 certificates. You get the download button will be becoming available once you complete the course. You can just click on it and download your course certificate. So this is the first one, Project Management Foundations. The second one is Project Management Foundations Ethics. So in this course, the instructor is Bob McGannon, and the level of this course is it's a beginner level 1, and the duration is just 1 hour. So let's see some details about this course. Just click on enroll for free. And if you see in the contents tab, you can again see what are the things you'll be learning. And let's see what are the certificates that we can get after completing this course. So for this course, you will get only 2 certificates. One is LinkedIn Learning certificate, and the other one is NASBA certificate. So this is the second course, Project Management Foundations in Ethics. So the third course is Project Management Foundations Requirements. So click on enroll for free if you want to enroll in this course. And let's see what are the contents and what are the certificates that we can get now. So if you go to contents, you can see what are the things you'll be learning in this course. And in the overview, you can click on certificates, show all. So for this course, you can get all the 3 certificates. One is LinkedIn Learning and NASBA and the PMI certificate. And this is the third one, Project Management Foundations Requirements. And the fourth one is Project Management Foundation Schedules. So the instructor of this course is Boni Biafo, and it's an intermediate level course, and the duration is 2 hours. And in this course, you'll be learning about how to proactively manage project schedules. I think it's one of the main course, I would say, because when it comes to management, the scheduling and planning is one of the main criteria which will set you apart from others. So to enroll in this course, just click on enroll for free here, and let's see what are the certificates that we can get now. So click on show all. So for this course, you can get 2 certificates. One is from the Project Management Institute, and the other one is normal LinkedIn Learning certificate. So this is fourth one, Project Management Foundations Schedules, and the fifth one is Project Management Foundations Budgets. And if you click on enroll for free, you will be directed to the course. And now let's see what are the certificates we can get. So click on show all here, and you can get 3 certificates for this course. One is LinkedIn Learning, NASBA, and the PMI certificate. So click on contents if you want to see what you'll be learning in a course. So you'll be learning budgeting fundamentals, building the budget, managing the budget, and budget management pro tips. So these are the things that you'll be learning in this course. So this is another course, Project Management Foundation Budgets, and Project Management Foundations Teams is the another course which you can get for free in LinkedIn Learning. So the instructor of this course is Daniel Stanton, and it's a beginner level course, and it's just a half-an-hour course. So just click on enroll for free if you want to enroll for free in this course. And now we are directed to the course, and you can see further details about the course, like the exact duration, that is 26 minutes 20 seconds, and it's a beginner level, as I said. And this course has been released on Feb 20, 2020. So you can see other details here in the course page, and let's see what are the certificates available. So all the 3 certificates are available: PMI, LinkedIn Learning, and NASBA. So if you want, you can go to contents and see what you'll be learning from this course. So the next one is Project Management Foundations Communication. So the instructor is Doug Rose, and the level of this course, it's a beginner level 1, and the duration is 1 hour. So in this course, you'll be learning about the communication strategies which can help you keep your projects on track. So click on enroll for free if you want to enroll in this course. And once you click on enroll for free, you'll be directed to the course, and you can see the exact duration and other details. And for this course, continuing education units are also available. So let's see what are the certificates available. So you can get 3 different certificates: LinkedIn Learning, NASB, and PMI. So this is another course, Project Management Foundations Communication, and we have few more courses like Project Management Foundations Risk. The instructor is Bob McGannon again, and it's an intermediate level 1, and the duration is just 1 hour. So you can click on enroll for free and see other details, and if you go to contents, you can see what are the things you'll be learning in the course. So the 9th course is Managing Project Stakeholders. Instructor is Natasha, and it is one of the intermediate level course, and the duration is just half-an-hour course. And in this course, you'll be learning about the stakeholder management, which is a key to project success. You can just click on enroll for free and see all of the details. You'll be directed to the course page. You can enroll straight away. You just need a LinkedIn account. So the 10th course is Microsoft Project 2019 and Project Online Desktop Essential Training. So the instructor is Bonnie Biafore again. So it is one of the intermediate level course, and the duration is 5 hours. So let's click on enroll for free and see what are the certificates that we can get for this course. So this is one of the longest course, 5 hours 21 minutes. So if you click on certificates, you can see that we can get 3 different certificates. One is Project Management Institute certificate, and NASBA certificate, and LinkedIn Learning certificate. And if you click on contents, we can see what you'll be learning here. And you'll be learning about get to know project, set up project files, creating task, linking and timing task, and these are the things that you'll be learning. So this is another course, Microsoft Project 2019, and the last course is Microsoft Project Quick Tips. The instructor is Bonnie Biafore, and it's a beginner level course, and it's just an half-an-hour course. So in this course, you'll be getting the quick answers to your most urgent project questions. Like if you are studying, you may have many questions. So if you want to enroll in this course, just simply click on the enroll for free button here, and you will be directed to the course page, and you can see what are the certificates you will get once you complete the course by clicking on show all here. So you will get 2 certificates for this course. One is LinkedIn Learning certificate, and the other one is Project Management Institute certificate. So this is the content for this video. There are 11 free courses for project management on LinkedIn Learning. You can get all these courses for free. You don't need to pay for anything. You just come to this page and click on enroll for free in whichever course you want to enroll in, and you will be directed to the course page, and you can start learning for free. And after completing the course, you can also get the certificate for free. And the important thing is, you don't need to use your free month trial on LinkedIn Learning. These courses are straight away free. You don't need to use the LinkedIn Learning free month trial. You can just create a LinkedIn account if you don't have one, and you can straight away enroll in the course and start learning it and completing it. So I hope this video was useful to you all. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.